WhatsApp password protect your chats with ChatLock. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can password protect your chats with ChatLock, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now WhatsApp has basically a new feature that will allow you to lock the chats so that other people can't access them. Only you with your fingerprint or your Face ID or password can access it. So you can just open up WhatsApp application here, and then let's say you'd like to log a certain chat here. So you can just go to a certain chat here, tap on the name from the top of the screen, then just scroll down and you'll find an option that says chat log. All you have to do is just turn on this, and all you have to do now is just go ahead and then enter your fingerprint or whatever biometrics your phone uses to enable chat lock. And once you enable chat lock, next time whenever you go ahead and then you want to access that chat, you just have to enter your fingerprint and only you'll be able to access the chats. This way you'll be able to password protect your WhatsApp chats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.